Okay guys, so today we're gonna be making a scratch game and stuff. Hooray! Except I have to use, I actually don't know what the challenge is gonna be. But, alright. Now let's see what this is. Okay, so all around. Yeah, it's nice and all around. Pew, pew, pew. I guess I'm gonna make like a game where you're a turret, right? Okay, so I'm gonna make the turret like something like no, backward. Okay, so now it's sideways. How to fix that? Boom. And now it's pointing in the opposite direction. How to fix that? Let me get zoomed out a bit here. Boom. Boom. Now it works. Sorta. I should make the center like the orb. There you go, so now it should, yeah, perfect. So now we got a working turret. Now I gotta make the enemy. So I have a bit of a plan for the enemies, but I don't really know for sure what I'm gonna do. So, hooray, I have to restart the page. Hello? It's not working. Sorry, you need to turn on Scratch again, because for some reason, Niagara women. Come on. Why is it so slow? You know what? Maybe if I search up Scratch, it'll be faster. Why did Scratch, the thing I was actually trying to get at, show up first? Ah, there you go, it loaded. So now, I gotta make a new enemy sprite. I gotta get a nice green color. Now what you gotta do is you gotta make the thickness real thick. real thick. And then you make the square smaller. And you convert that to vector. And put the square in the center, right? And definitely set that size to 50. So now what I gotta do is I gotta bend this now. Right now he looks like a little sad little creeper, right? But I'm gonna change all of that. I'm gonna make him into an angry sad little creeper. Now I gotta Control C this and Control V it all in that mouth. Control C, Control V, flip horizontal. And then I have to make enough space for the original in the middle. That's the enemy, I guess. And then I'm gonna put it in a really strange position. When fly clicked, forever, wait 2 seconds, and then create clone of myself. See? And then when I start as a clone, set costume to costume 1. And go straight to random position. And then forever, I need to make it forever point towards, you guessed it, sprite 1. And then move 10 steps. Now let's see it. Okay, so I see that there's a little bit of a bug. Just a little bit. Just a little bug. Yeah, it's a bit too fast, just a bit, maybe. And that's a way too slow. Or maybe it isn't. I don't really know at this point. Oh no. They're gaining on me. Now I need to make a new sprite. This will be like the cannonball. And the outline of this one is, you guessed it, gonna have a bit of and then the fill, I want to make it like there you go. When space key pressed, create clone of myself, right? And then when I start as a clone, move glide 2 seconds to wait, where? Wait. Oh yeah, direction. Oh, come on, where's that sprite one? I need to go to... You know what? I just have a better idea. Drag in the exact code of this. I was overthinking it. And then when I start as a clone, move 10 steps, and then I need to repeat this like 100 times. Now let's see if it works. I accidentally made physics. Hooray. And then I guess after that I need to delete this clone, right? So I guess that this is working, but I also guess not. So I'm not going to repeat this by 100. I'm going to repeat it by about 25. Let's see it. You know what? I'm going to repeat 100 times. Move 5 steps. Let's see how much cleaner that is. Now we have a bit of a problem. You can kind of spam bullets, and it's kind of hard not to do. Repeat, I don't know, 50, move 10 steps, and then delete the clone. Let's see if this works. You can still kind of spam bullets, so I better make the enemies at least a bit faster. Just a bit. Ah, they're attacking me! Wow, the cannonballs are flying everywhere. Okay, so now forever okay, so when I start as a clone, what I'm going to do is when I start as a clone, forever, if touching sprite free, then delete this clone. That's saving. Okay, so now I gotta test it. Okay, so you can kill the enemies now. I'm gonna pretend that was a sound effect that actually existed in my game. And now I gotta make the score. So I go into variables and score. So now score exists. And whenever it is touching sprite free, change score by 1. Let's see. This probably works. Boom. 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 Pew. Pew. Okay, so obviously this works. And I'm gonna say obviously because, yeah. Now I gotta add some nice sound effects. Okay, perfect. And now what it's going to do is it's going to start sound recording 1. Let's hope this doesn't. Now, obviously, this is a bit too easy. And I also gotta add sound effects. Ah! Ah! Okay, so that's good. And then start sound recording 1. Now, obviously, I gotta make the sound a lot quieter. Oh, I forgot it's on this one. I still gotta make it quieter for some reason. Okay, now let's see it. And now, when I start as a clone, of course, it needs to set its size to, where's the set size? It needs to set its literal size to 100%. What is happening? Okay, so now I gotta make an actual way for you to die. Now I need to make a variable called health. And when flag clicked, you need to set health to 5. This is going to be important because you see, if touching, like sprite 2, I think, then I need to make a new costume. Oh gosh, Scratch Cat, you're ugly. So sad. I gotta do that. Boom, shaka, room, and then boom. Yup, there it is. You are bad at this. then change health by -1, and then when I clicked forever if health equals 0, then switch costume to costume 2 and broadcast message 1. Now what this is going to do is when I receive message 1, stop other scripts in this sprite. Or all, technically. Now I gotta lose. I can't actually lose. What? I guess I'll have to change where the bullet is to somewhere really stupid. Like maybe 9999999, and then 9999999, and then when I start as a clone, I have to go to X. Da da da. X0, Y0. Now let's see if the shooting even works now. This definitely does not work. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, I think it's because the actual Sprite 2 isn't going with the monsters. What's happening here? Well, this is kind of cursed. What did I ruin? Oh. Now that we've got our little game just chilling, right now there's no way to lose, right? Well, what have I told you I'm going to make? a literal invisible copy of them that always is. This one's gonna be called Hitbox. Living life in the life of a noob, but I rarely use my gun. And then forever. Living. Now, just for experimental purposes, yeah. I knew it. I really don't know what to do. Oh yeah, I don't know what to do. Living life in the life of mom, I don't know what to do. So I just killed all of them in one shot. How is that possible? Bonk, 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 bonk. I guess I'll just make an aiming thing. Aim. Now, I really hope I don't get banned or anything for something as stupid as this. And then, of course, when flag clicked, I need it to show. And now let's see it. Now what I gotta do is make this like a lot smaller, like so much smaller. Now I gotta set this to like 100 at least. Living life in the life of life. There you go. There's no chance I hit him. This is turning out well so far. Now I have an idea on how to fix the Fang. Broadcast enemy dies. When I receive, enemy dies. Delete this clone. Let's see it. Let's see what happens if there's more. I don't even know what's happening anymore. What did I accidentally do? Oh, I accidentally made it to where when it was touching itself. Now, I don't know what to think of this, but my game's actually turning out worse and worse the more I fix the bugs. So, there you go. Now I guess what I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm gonna make the sprite, the enemy faster. Double is fast now. Hmm. Is there a number of clones variable? No. I don't know what to do. Ice cream sandwich. That was just... So I guess now I was kind of being dumb. I noticed when I start as a clone, I can just make it when I start as a clone forever if touching sprite 1 then change health by -1. Let's see it. Oh. So, of course, I forgot to make it point in direction 90. That was the mistake, not the fact that... Okay, so... I gotta die. Don't ask me why, but I gotta die. And then I gotta go, woo. Aw, man. Now I want to see. Does the score go up by how many are on the field? No, thank goodness. Because I'm about to make them lots faster. Why did I make it like this? Anyway, good pixel, good pixel, game, backgrounds. I'm not stealing from the internet. What are you talking about? Minecraft. From a above. I'm gonna need that. I want this. I'm getting this one, guys. I don't care. Now the backdrop, what I gotta do is I gotta go into backdrops. Yeah. So then what I gotta do is my mouse broken? Ah, that's better. Now, I just need some background music. Da da dum, da 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 dum, dum, da da do 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 dum, da da dum, dum, da 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 do 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 do, do 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 do. Do 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 da da dum, da 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 dum, dum, da da do 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 dum, da da dum, dum, da 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 do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 And then, when that clicked, forever, play sound recording 1 until done. Boom. Da da dum. Da 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 dum. Boom. And now, of course, I gotta make the sound like louder. Da da da. Good. Da da dum. Da 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 dum. Dum. Da da do 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 do. I can't even get through all the music. I want to see if it's glitchy in game. Da da dum. Da 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 da. How? Why did I make this? Da da dum. Da 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 da. Why? Da da dum. Da 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 da. How? How did that count? Tell me how and why did that count? Da da da. I can't believe it. Da da dum. Da 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 da. Da da do do do. I hate this game that I made. It's a rage game. Da da dum. Da 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 da. Da da do do do. Yeah, I love it at the same time somehow. Da da do. Da da do 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 do. Do 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 do. Seriously, bro? Seriously? And why is this taking forever? There you go.
Da da da. Da 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 da. Da da do 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 do. Da da do do. Da 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 do 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 do.
How and why?
Da da. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da da do 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 do. Da da do do.
Why did I create this?
Da da da.
I made a rage game. I made a rage game. Also, I'm gonna make the enemies random colors just to make it look cool. Change color effect by pick random 0 to 100. Let's see.
Da da da.
Okay, so there is other color in the maze now.
Da da da. Da 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 da. Da da do 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 do. Da da do do. Da 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 do 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 do.
Now, of course, just to make the colors more exotic. Wow, so amazing.
Da da da.
I didn't even get to see any.
Da da da.
Okay, so that's
Da
a
da da
nice green one. Another
da.
nice green one.
Da da do
Nice
do
green
do.
one. Why are so many of them green? I'm afraid.
Da da da. Da 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 da.
Is that number not possible in Scratch? Aw, man. I guess I'll just do a bit of a smaller number. Like maybe 1,000. 10,000, actually.
Da da da.
Let's see if it can even load that.
Da da da
Okay,
da.
red, purple,
Da da do 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 do.
red,
Da da do.
green,
Da 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 do 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 do. Do
orange.
do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Okay, so now I know that it is the music is glitchy in game. Cannon blast. Rage game. Who's okay. Anyway, let's see if it works.
Da da da. Da 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 do do. Da da do 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 do. Da da do do. Da 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 do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Aw, man. At least I got to go through the whole song. So, yay! Video's over. I finished my rage game. Comment your high score. Also, why is my typing not working? Also, space to shoot.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
So many color variations. Anyway, bye. Remember to be a boss.